सिनफे आहन आपके पास जब आया और आपको कॉल आई कि ये रोल है, what was your first impression?
I'll tell you what happened with Sinfe Ahan. So there's something else I'm about to reveal in this interview. This is okay. So the last 2 years were horrible for me. Last 2-3 years were horrible for me. To COVID tha, and it was a lot of other things that were happening as well in my life. So I was like eating my emotions away. Okay. So I had gained a little bit weight. I went back home to London, और जब मैं वापस London गई, I had to go through a checkup for myself. और जब मैंने चेकअप करवाया अपना, तो डॉक्टर ने कहा कि आपको पॉसिबिलिटी है कि कैंसर हो. So when I found that out, I obviously panicked because I was like, okay, I did not see that coming. And मुझे याद है उस time जैसे he said कि we're not sure, but there is a possibility you might have cancer. And this is in January, इस साल के January में. So I'm shivering saying this, I'm sorry. So I remember like saying Alhamdulillah and saying कि मुझे सही time पे पता चल गया है. And they said कि हमें आपको फ़ौरन से फ़ौरन ऑपरेट करना होगा क्योंकि this lump that you have has to be removed ताकि हमें पता चले कि if you are going through cancer, what stage are you at? So I had the operation and then I had a second operation after that. अल्लाह का बहुत करम हुआ कि so apparently 5 pointers होते हैं and एक होता है where on the third point it's like a bridge, you can fall here or there, wherever, right? And they said कि Alhamdulillah it wasn't cancer, but had it not been detected in time,
Diagnosed.
yeah, it could have turned into something horrible. It could have been like it was a tumor. It could have been turned into something a lot worse. So Allah ka bahut karam hua कि I survived it, Alhamdulillah. So when you saw me in at the start of the year, I was chubby, right? So everyone's like, oh, आप तो बहुत मोटी हो गई थी, and that made me feel even worse. जब मैं वापस आई लंदन से, तो लोगों ने कहा कि ओ फल्ला तुम तो मोटी हो गई हो बहुत ज़्यादा, और ये तुम्हारे तो गर्दन ही नहीं है और ये नहीं है, और मैं किसी को बता भी नहीं सकती थी कि you have no idea कि मैं कौन सी जंग लड़के आ रही हूँ अभी. You know, मुझे I wouldn't have known कि मुझे कैंसर था, ये कैंसर नहीं था, if I, you know. So I couldn't say that to anybody. बहुत कम लोगों को इस बात का पता है. आज मैं national TV पे बोल रही हूँ ये चीज़. But I feel like it's important to talk about it. उस time पे I can't tell you कि I've never been fat my entire life. मैं ज़िंदगी में कभी मोटी नहीं हुई. मेरे में वो जीन ही नहीं था. I used to think like that, right? मैं हमेशा से I used to be sticky little girl, 48 kg की. I used to be never like fat. So जब वापस आई तो everyone was like, कितनी मोटी हो गई है, ये तो इतनी मोटी हो गई है, तो स्क्रीन पे she's gonna look horrible. Like I started losing work. Funny, हम कहाँ के सच्चे, जब मैंने साइन किया था तो उससे 2 दिन पहले मेरा ऑपरेशन हुआ था और हफ्ते के बाद मुझे आना था, हफ्ते के बाद मुझे आना था, तो डेट ऑपरेशन के 1.5 हफ्ते के बाद I had to, and I kept telling कि I won't be able to, but somehow हो गया. I mean I was able to walk and everything, so alhamdulillah मैं आ गई और 1.5 हफ्ते के बाद हमारा हम कहाँ के सच्चे शुरू हो गए, but I was still healthy and the doctor has strictly told me कि brisk walk से ज़्यादा आपने नहीं करनी. Really simple as that. And I couldn't have worked out. I diet भी नहीं कर सकती थी because I was on like really strong medication. So I was like going through all that और साथ में बातें constantly. आप Instagram पे जाओ बातें, मोटी हो गई है, मोटू, गुपलू, whatever, you know, all these names that you would read, and you would read like Twitter पे, Facebook पे, whatever, like जितनी भी चीज़ें थी, and morale, confidence, shatter पे shatter होता गया, और इसी दौरान मैं मशल का कैरेक्टर भी कर रही थी. So I don't know how I did Mashal. In all honesty, मुझे नहीं पता मैंने कैसे किया. I think अल्लाह का करम ही हुआ है. आप जब जान लगा के कुछ करते हो और genuinely अपनी honesty और genuine nature के साथ करते हो, कहते हैं ना नीयत साफ मंजिल आसान. तो I think मैंने कोई कमाल नहीं किया मशल में. Honestly, अल्लाह मियाँ ने कमाल डाला उसके अंदर, which is why people loved it. But I was going through all of that. Then I went into this craze कि मैं खाना नहीं खाऊंगी. Look what people are saying. You know, and I mean कपड़े वगैरह भी अपने कपड़े खुले होते थे या पतले होते थे. जब मैं in fact day 1 पे गई, even then I remember मेरे कपड़े were like, you know, not as they should have been. फिर 2 महीने के बाद मैं वापस गई, तो everybody was like, you've lost so much weight, what happened to you, this and that. तो वो नहीं होता कि I worked everything off to lose that weight. मतलब you name diets, you name, like मैं उस हालत में भी when I wasn't supposed to be working out, I used to do whatever I could to work out for that, you know. So I knew कि Sinfe Ahan was being made. before. मेरे वहम गुमान में भी नहीं था कि वहम गुमान में भी नहीं था कि this would be offered to me in any capacity because I'm fat. In short, ठीक है. And मुझे इस वक्त एहसास हुआ कि जो लोग चाहे वो एनोरेक्सिया की वजह से हैं या चाहे वो ओबेसिटी की वजह से हैं या चाहे वो जस्ट हेल्थी लिविंग की वजह से हैं, उन पे क्या गुजरती होगी. ठीक है, मेरा तो एक बहुत जेन्युइन रीज़न था कि आई वाज़न्ट एबल टू वर्क आउट, बट आई फेल्ट दिस टाइनी. I felt मेरा confidence, my insecurities were like rising up, and मैं तो बात पे रो पड़ती थी, you know. So I think my cries showed through my shell a little bit as well. कि मैं चीख के रो रही थी कि I'm not this bad, don't make me look this bad, you know. So I felt really horrible for people who go through it. चाहे वो जो भी उनकी body type है, you know. At the end of the day, I think I genuinely believe, मैं इसलिए नहीं कह रही because I've been through it, but I genuinely believe that Alamia has made everyone absolutely beautiful in the skin they're in, right? And the day we accept it, I think everybody's going to be happier. ठीक है, because let's face it कि चाहे रंग रूप नाखून बाल सब कुछ झड़ जाता है after like several years, so उसका कोई फायदा नहीं है. अंदर से इंसान अच्छा होना चाहिए. But उस time पे I was made to feel horrible and felt the tiniest, मतलब एक I think रेत का दाना शायद मुझसे ज़्यादा बड़ा फील करता होगा उस time पे. बहुत हार्ड वर्क किया. I didn't even expect कि सिंफियाहान मुझे ऑफर होगा because obviously I'm fat. So I was like, okay, ठीक है, like you know, obviously सबके अपने standards होते हैं कि क्या करना है, क्या नहीं करना, किस तरह का character होना चाहिए, किस तरह का actor होना चाहिए इसके अंदर. फिर ईद आई and नदीम भाई said कि तुमने ईद ही नहीं लेनी. नदीम भाई हमेशा मुझे ईद ही देते हैं. Such I love नदीम भाई to bits. He said तुमने ईद ही नहीं लेनी मुझसे. And I'm like, लेनी है. And he's like, okay, मैं आ रहा हूँ. मैं चलो ठीक है. He came home, he gave me Eidi, and I'm like, how's the casting going, सारा कुछ. Like, मैंने सोचा भी नहीं कि कुछ होगा. He said कि अच्छी जा रही है सारी casting, this and that. So, no, एक character है उसके अंदर. मुझे लगता है तुम वो अच्छा करोगी. तो मैंने कहा क्या character है? कहते सिद्रा सईदा.
अच्छा.
Yeah. So he's like, I think you're gonna do that really well. And I'm like, well, look at me right now. And he looked at me and he's like, what do you mean? He's like, you're not fat, Kubra. You just stop telling yourself fat. And let people talk. अगर तुम में खुद में confidence होगा ना, then they'll shut up themselves. I was like, okay, this is the man जो आपको at your lowest he would like lift you up, like, right? So he said कि सईदा सिद्रा का character है. She's not out of the 5 girls, but बहुत funny character है. It's a very sweet character. He made me fall in love with Saida Sidra, and I was like, okay, ठीक है, you know what, let's do it. And he's like, चलो तुम script पढ़ लो, तुम्हें समझ आती है तो हम कर लेंगे ये. ऐसे चलो ठीक है, done. I was just happy कि you know this is good. अगले दिन I get a call from Sanam. I assume कि Saida Sidra का होगा. I get a call from Sanam. मैं सिंफियान के set पे हूँ. And by this time I have lost a lot of weight as well.
You were on the set of Sinfiyan?
No, I was set on हम कहाँ के सच्चे थे. Yeah. अगले दिन I was on the set of हम कहाँ के सच्चे थे. मुझे सना की कॉल आती है. सुने एक कैरेक्टर है, मैं चाहती हूँ कि आप करें. तो मैंने कहा जी नदीम भाई ने मुझे बताया. तो कहती है हाँ, तो I think you fit so well with that character, this and that. I'm like sure, no problem.
So you'd said yes to Saida Sidra?
Yes. I was like, I'm gonna read it. I'm like, we're gonna come for a script reading और उसके बाद जाके हम yes कर देंगे. So she said कि आप जब free हो जाए ऑफिस आ जाएगा and then I'll tell you more about Mahajabeen. I'm like, Mahajabeen? She's like, हाँ Mahajabeen. मैं नहीं, वो तो सिद्रा. तो कहती है नहीं मैं आपको महाजबीन ऑफर करना चाह रही हूँ. सिद्रा इज नॉट वन ऑफ द 5 गर्ल्स. व्हाट? एंड आई रिमेंबर मैंने फोन रखा है, मैंने ऊपर देखा है, टप आंसू मेरी आंखों से. एंड आई एम जस्ट लाइक या अल्लाह खुदा, आई कांट बी ग्रेटफुल इनफ. आई एम लाइक हाउ डिड दिस हैपन, you know, how did this happen? So I messaged Nadeem Bhai and I said, Nadeem Bhai, Sanaz messaged me and she said, you know, she wants me to do Mahajabeen. And he's like, that's perfect. And I'm like, yeah. So he's like, so I know about this. What else do you want to talk about? I'm like, so do you think Mahajabeen or Sidra? And he's like, Mahajabeen. I want you to be Mahajabeen. And I was like, okay, but I knew Mahajabeen is this, you know, this person.
30.
Yeah, exactly. So I was just like, I don't know if I'll be able to do it. But Nadeem Bhai, उन्होंने मुझे ना